Hello guys, how you going doing today? Last time we spoke about um how the market is moving, in the patterns and how you can identify ways to enter the market regardless of what's going on in the market. So it's a continuation today, all right? So you can see basically you can see the algo candle, right? It's above here, gives an indication of it like a strong high as well. So liquidity is built up here, which creates a momentum up before it will go down, right? Because wherever liquidity is built up, the market seeks to take it away later on, if you know what I mean. So looking at this algo candle, liquidity build up. So the market took out the liquidity, obviously, and went downwards, right? So you can see so many things happen like this in the market. So price action confirmation. 80% of the time, algo creates a fake price action patterns. But if we know where is the right place that the algo used to create a real price action pattern, we can use this pattern for confirmation entry, if you know what I mean. So you see the patterns. So basically you see like a candle here is creating an inefficiency, pricing. Seller. So basically when it's this like this, you can sell the market. Those are your stop loss, if you know what I mean. Types of entries. Entry at the open, you know, entry at the open. So basically you see some entry at the open of the next candle, right? And so now candle here, entry at the break. So you can enter at the break of a candle, you know. I feel like entry at the break is more safe and secure, you know. Enter when the low of the previous candle is broken, if you get what I mean. It's just like rejection block plus displacement. So looking at this one, it looks like enter at a break. Why do you say so? Because you can see that the market will not enter from this top here. Waiting for the market to come right up here and give us a retest, kind of to mitigate this area, but this area, put drop down, and I feel like this is the most secure entry, and the entry at the break is the most secure entry as for me and for my experience. If you know what I mean. So looking at this, you can see that the entry at the break gave us so many gave us a good distribution of the market. What I mean by that is like the market had to drop down, right? And gave us another entry probably here if we're smart enough to enter a market, you know. But if you want to master this concept, you need to master the narrative. What is also narrative? Narrative is a story. What's a story? If you understand the story or if you understand the movement of the market very well, you know what to do when you see things like this in the market. You don't have to feel nervous, you don't have to feel um, confused because you know what's going on in the market, if you get what I mean. So you see HVI, you know, A equals to 127, you know, things like this happen all the time. Get it? And these are just consolidation, distribution, consolidation here. Don't expect the market to go up because it's gonna go up because it depends on the market, the movement of the market anyway, if you know what I mean. see, build up liquidity above here, right? More like consolidation here, ranging market here, if you know what I mean. So you see the market showing so many signs, right? So you can see the movement down here showing up FFL, you know. So this is another one as well. When you see things like this in the market, just realize that it's a good way of entering the market. If you get what I mean, like see what's going on here. So you see this, right? Dollar sign shows liquidity, the market going downwards, right? Trying to mitigate this area, trying to give us this area as a way of showing that there's interest or there's something happening in this area to get into the market, to give us a more like you see like a consolidation here. It's a manipulation. If you're not aware of the market movement, you think the market is going downwards. But this movement is like a manipulation, right? Because it's not moving downwards, moving upwards. Looking at it, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So looking at this as well, you see that in this chart, we realize that the market was consolidating in this area, give us an entry, but the entry was a bit short entry to make a bit of profit, if you know what I mean. After making a profit, the market went down to take away the inner traders because who take profit. If you don't take profit, the market will take you out, put in a winning trade. That's why we good to have a stop profit. If you have a stop profit, the market will take away so many things you didn't realize in the market. So you have to be aware about this as well, if you know what I mean. Remember, when you lose, ask yourself, are you responsible for a loss? No, I am not responsible. I follow the rules. I am not wrong. I do not make mistakes. I apply the rules. But remember that you respect the risk management and correctly implement the strategy. So looking at this, you can realize that if you follow your trading plan, you follow your risk management and follow everything and you still lose, that means what's in your day. Get what I mean? But if you follow everything and you win, that means you win because you follow your rules and regulation. Most times when you look straight in the market, you hurt so much when you don't follow your rules and regulations. If you know what I mean, you don't follow your risk management. If you follow your risk management and you lose, you don't feel hurt so much. You're gonna feel like I need to learn more of this. If you get what I mean, just an insight, right? So looking at this as well, you can see that the market is trying to the person who's trying to get into this trade because he saw an opportunity, right? Because so this was a candlesticks are very way of candlesticks is another language. You know, when you go to China, you have to learn Chinese. If you go to Germany, you learn German. Same as if you go to trading, you learn candlesticks. Candlesticks are like a language in the in trading. So candlesticks are very, very important. No matter what people say, learn candlesticks, you understand the language of the market, if you know what I mean. As for me, knowing what's candlesticks, I look at this candle because candle is a very bullish candle, right? Strong bullish. That means a bias in the market. And for bias in the market, that means the market is gonna go up, if you get what I mean. And the market might just come and give us a retest for it to just mitigate this area, you know. Because market moving in waves and patterns, if you know what I mean. It all depends. Everything winning day. Okay, looking at this, see what happened. The market just kick off, went up where it needs to go, right? And it's a passion pace. That means if you take your time and learn this thing and you know what you're doing, you're not going to be worried about what's going on in the market. If you know what I mean, just get these things like easy. If you know what I mean, just win through it like a normal. You know what I mean? So just follow these setups most times. So let's see how you can take all these trades. Note, use the ping pong when you see a high impact news, or use it in the low and the New York. Don't try to catch every single move, right? Don't try to catch every single move. And also be aware of risk management. And patterns always happen in the market all the time. Patterns always happen in the market. Don't get it confused, because what you see today and you lose today, tomorrow you can learn from it and win tomorrow. So don't get discouraged in the market. Learn from your experiences. Keep pushing on, and soon we'll be over with this PDF file. I'll go to the live chat and explain real examples, take out real traits, and it's a journey, guys. It's a journey. Don't rush to it, because it's something that you have to stay in your life forever. You know. So thank you for the guys that have been subscribing, watch my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. If you like this video, send to your friends. But other than that, take care, guys. Peace.